Welcome to our MRU YouTube channel. We hope you enjoy the content. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. Today we are having a closer look at the sensors that are available for the 400 GD and 500 GD. We have covered both gas detectors in previous videos.
Our gas detectors can accommodate multiple different sensors for gas leak detection at gas installation sites, leak detection in industrial and domestic refrigerant units, indoor air quality sensor, ambient carbon monoxide sensor, as well as ambient air carbon dioxide sensor. There is also an infrared temperature sensor, and an LED light can be hooked up as well.
All these sensors are plug and play, they come pre-calibrated and are ready to be used.
They have a 3.5mm jack plug, and some have an optical warning light.
The sensor type is automatically recognized by the unit. The serial number and calibration factors are stored inside each sensor.
First, there are the gas leak detection sensors for combustible gases, suitable to detect gas leaks at installation sites, both domestic and industrial. Here we have three different sensors available: a sensor for methane only, a sensor for methane and propane, and a sensor for methane, propane, and hydrogen. The measuring ranges of these sensors are: methane 0 to 22,000 ppm, propane 0 to 8,500 ppm, and for hydrogen 0 to 20,000 ppm. The resolution for each of these gases is 1 ppm. The reaction time for each of these gases is 5 seconds or less with the 400 GD, and 3 seconds or less with the 500 GD.
Next up is the refrigerant leak detection sensor. This sensor allows you to check for leakages at commercial and residential air conditioning units. One sensor for all types of refrigerants such as CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, HCFC, hydrochlorofluorocarbons, PFC, perfluorocarbon, HFC, hydrofluorocarbon, HFO, hydrofluoroolefins. Measuring range 0 to 1000 ppm. Resolution 1 ppm. Response time with the 400 GD less than 5 seconds, and less than 1.5 seconds with the 500 GD.
The indoor air quality sensor allows you to check 4 parameters to determine the indoor air quality. Parameters such as humidity, barometric pressure, temperature, and dew point can be displayed. The measuring ranges of these sensors are: humidity 0 to 100% relative humidity, barometric pressure 300 to 1100 millibar, temperature 32 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and the dew point is calculated from humidity and temperature.
The CO sensor can be used to check CO values in ambient air.
The measuring range is 0 to 1000 ppm, the resolution is 1 ppm, and the response time is less than 30 seconds.
The CO2 sensor can be used to check CO2 values in ambient air. The measuring range is 400 to 10,000 ppm, the resolution is 1 ppm, and the response time is less than 90 seconds.
The infrared temperature sensor allows contactless temperature measurement, suitable for all types of applications. The measuring range is -94 to 716 degrees Fahrenheit or -70 to +380 degrees Celsius. The resolution is 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit or 0.1 degrees Celsius.
The LED light can be used to lighten up dark areas. It has 21 lumen and 5000 Kelvin. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.